Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Today's video is going to be another crochet with me, but it's a little different than my other crochet with me's because this one we have a kit. Okay, we have a kit to be doing, so this one's going to be a kit. Ribbler sent me this Yummy Friends ice cream axolotl kit. It's part of their new crochet kit launch. There are other Yummy Friends options as well, but the axolotl one was the cutest to me. So it's supposed to be super easy. It comes with a QR code, and so we're gonna scan the QR code and we're gonna see what comes up. So I'm basically just gonna take you through the whole process of making this kit. They come with stickers of the other ones. So this is the one that I got. There's, I think this is a bopa cow and then a pizza turtle. So there's other options, but it comes with little stickers. That's so cute. Okay, it also comes with a golden card. So it says you found the golden card, tag at Yummy Friends World on social media to claim your prize. So make sure you do that. It's super cute. It's in such a cute little, like, it's portable. You could take this pretty much anywhere. And it's supposed to have everything you need to make the item. So, oh, this is so cute. It comes with a little carrying case, a little zipper pouch. It comes with felt, multiple colors of felt. It comes with stuffing. Okay, perfect. There is a little card with a QR code that's supposed to lead you to video tutorials, along with, that's supposed to give you video tutorials on how to make the axolotl ice cream, or the kit really. So we've got hot pink and light pink yarn. We've got black yarn. Oh, we even have a little red, I think this is the cherry. Oh yeah, because it's customizable. You can do different toppings. There's, oh, these are all the different color like frostings you can put on the top, and then you can make sprinkles out of these, and then it comes with a little cherry as well. So it's still like a little customizable. Comes with your hook, and then it looks like we got some glue for the felt, more yarn, and ooh, I love these. And it comes with little stitch markers. It comes with stitch markers and safety eyes, and then you also get a crochet needle to weave your ends in. And this is probably the coolest thing ever. I love these, but they're travel scissors. So you fold them, you just unfold them, and they turn into scissors. I love travel scissors. Okay, that is everything that comes in the box when you open it up. And there's no written patterns that come with the box. There's just the QR code. So let's scan the QR code and see what comes up. Okay, that was really easy. Oh, okay, so you can actually enter your email. You can enter your email, so it'll save your progress on where you're at. So that's kind of cool. So let me put my email in. Oh, okay, wow, it's really like step by step. So it's really step by step. It's like, this is a crochet hook. It's kind of going through all of your supplies. All right, let's do it. Okay, it says level beginner. Click the video or image icon next to each line to see the media related to the instruction. Oh wow, this is really beginner friendly. Like, if you've never crocheted before, this is awesome. Your pattern's written out, and then if you need help, you just click the little icon next to it and it'll show you a picture or a video. So that's really cool. Wow, perfect. Okay, so let's start crocheting.
Just like so, and from here.
So we finished the ice cream part 1. So we have like the top of the ice cream. I'm a little worried I'm gonna run out of yarn. I started with a kind of loose tension and I ran out of yarn before the end. So I redid it with way tighter tension and I have a lot left. I just hope that this is enough to finish, but we'll see. So my pro tip for you would just be like really tight tension. If your tension's too loose, you will use too much yarn. It looks like the next step is the safety eyes step. So we're gonna put eyes and like a mouth and the sauce topping and all that right now, and then we have to let the glue dry. And while the glue's drying, we'll work on the cones. So I'm gonna put the eyeballs in right now, and it gives you clear instructions on how to put the eyes. 10, they're little eyeballs, and then they come with the plastic backings. The eyeballs are on. they're secure with the little safety backings. And then I'm gonna take some, it says to embroider the mouth to make a cute little smile. I think I want my smile to be more like this. Like, isn't this cute? Oh, it's so cute. Okay, to figure out what kind of topping I want. I think I want like a vanilla, but I do want sprinkles, so we have to cut sprinkles. So I think I'm gonna do the white. This is for the blush. And then two, showing my artistic ability here. Okay, this kind of looks like ice cream. I don't know, I'm looking at this box. So it kind of does look a little big. Maybe we can make it smaller. It says the glue dries quickly. It said a generous amount, and I don't think I put a generous amount. So I'm kind of just going around. We just need like little tiny sprinkle pieces. So I got 3 yellow sprinkles. Let's do some blue sprinkles. I don't know how many I'm gonna need, but I literally could have done all chocolate sprinkles, but no, we need some rainbow sprinkles, you know. I'm kind of just doing like a teardrop shape. Actually, wait, let's do a circle like this so it's a perfect circle. So, oh, now we have our little blush pieces done. We've got our sprinkles and our blush, so now we just have to glue it on. So let's see. The little ice cream head, his blush and everything is dry, and while that was happening, I finished the cone. So the cone is done. And now we do the ice cream part 2. So I'm assuming it's like connecting these together. So I'm kind of excited. So let's do that part.
Feels so safe and so comfortable. And there, look.
Wait, I literally had in there, and you look good.
So the fire was in
Wait, we need to go.
I finished the little ice cream scoop. It's done, it's stuffed. So the next step is to make the gills with the hot pink. So we've got the cone done, we've got the ice cream done. We're gonna do the gills, and then I think we put it all together. So I'm just gonna make the gills really quick. And I stepped away for a little bit and came back, and it kept my spot where I was at. So that's really cool. But I have it on my iPad right here, and I'm just like following along with the little video written tutorial.
Person to stop us like in that little walk towards this step, like there's steps down before the concert started, and I was charging at me, stops at the top,
Like literally 3 inches from.
Fan of you, by the way. And
bro.
Wait, so how is she love to go?
All right, that was really fast, but we got the little gills done. So it looks like the last step is just to assemble all the pieces, which is usually the hardest part for me and the part I dislike the most. So let's see how good these directions are, because one thing about me is I don't like when patterns don't have good directions on assembling. So okay, first make sure all the pieces are stuffed. Okay, let's stuff the cone, because I didn't stuff the cone. I forgot to. Also, I love the quality of this stuffing. It's good stuffing. Let's see. Stuff the cone. Let me get the stuffing all the way down. If you ever need to get the stuffing all the way down in something, just use the other end of your hook to just push the stuffing down. That's what I do, at least. So that's like a little pro tip for you if you're new. So let's see. And it looks like they give you plenty of stuffing. Like, I'm gonna have a lot left over. Stuffed! The cone is stuffed. And then let's just make sure I have like enough stuffing in the ice cream top. Okay, so you're just gonna sew the ice cream onto the cone, and then the gills to the ice cream, and then you can add like optional stuff. This ended up being so cute. I just put all the pieces together, which was really easy, by the way, and there's a little picture showing you how. It is so cute. Why is it so cute? Look at it. It's so adorable. I don't usually make stuff like this very often, but this is very cute. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's so adorable. It's like the size of my hand. It's so cute. And I got the little sprinkles on the top with the frosting. Oh, with the syrup. The little cone. And there's plenty of stuffing like left over and everything. So I stuffed it really, really full so it's like stiff, so it stands up good on its own. Okay, I love this. I love this so much. This is so cute. Okay, this was so fun. Okay, if you want one of these kits, click on the link in my description to buy one of these little kits that I made. So cute. And thank you to Ribbler for sponsoring this video. I loved this. This was so like easy and fun. I love that it just came with everything that I needed to make it. Like I didn't have to buy a bunch of stuff. Each Yummy Friends kit also comes with a recipe for something. So since this is a little like little axolotl ice cream, the recipe for this one's berry ice cream. So it shows you how to make berry ice cream. Oh, that's pretty cool. So yeah, thank you to Ribbler for sponsoring this video. If you want one of these little Yummy Friends kits, there's some other Yummy Friends options too, but if you want one of these kits, I'll leave the link in the description box below. Go buy yourself one or buy one for a friend. These are so fun. Even if like, I've been crocheting for like 7 years and I'm pretty advanced, and this was still really fun. Like sometimes it's just fun to get a little kit that has everything you need to make something instead of having to go buy a bunch of stuff and having a bunch left over. So this is really fun. But anyways, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.